Hello, maghisgot taron og unsay diferensya sa mga tawo nga nag-jealous nimo or naay kayugot nimo ug sa mga tawo nga genuine nimo. Well, you know what? People who are jealous about you, they will see all things negative towards you. Example, pareharon, buhok. Hulo, kalkag kay kag buhok. Like sa ako ha. And then, but then people who are not jealous about you, then they will say beauty out of it. Like, la, nice lagi ng imong buhok, ana, natural na, ana. And then, example, the way you dress up, no? There were people, like jealous people might say nga, hey, tambok na kay ka. Hala, wa kaya ngay ana, niwang ra kay ka. Right? But then, genuine people might have to say, oh, nindot lagi, nice lagi, asa ka kapalit, ana, ana. And also, let's say, the way how you handle yourself. Like, oh, mas maayo kay positive kaayo ka, mas maayo kay kuan ana, may good lamang kay nana ka. Well, jealous people might say, hambugira ka ito siya, uy, nga to siya, okay na to siya, that way. But then, apoy uban nga mga plastic ra gyud, no? Like they might say, let's say, they might say negative or like different out of it, but then they mean differently. Pero as a person, you will figure it out, makita gyapon na nimo nga dili sila genuine. Like ipanglibak ra pod ka at the end. Pero that's too obvious because there were people also nga pwede ra gyud sila nimong i-hi og hello, but then you cannot say things being genuine to them kay sila pod mga picky pod sila. Alright? So, mura na. But don't be discouraged kay, people wanted to distract you out of your negative, like positivity. Kay ganahan po na silang mag-uol ka. Keep moving, keep being forward. Kay, if you're happy, then let yourself shine, right? And yeah, ayaw gyud kaguol kay, negative people, wala ra gina sila. Magpabilin na gina silang negative for the rest of their life. Kaya nga no, dili na sila happy. And that's all. See you!